perpendicular line kada. It is center. X2 as a center, we can draw the arc. Here it is a point. Okay. And the next one. This is the center. We can draw the arc. Here it is a B point and here it is a C point.
Drawing.
ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ ఏది ఉంటుందో అది సెంటర్ పాయింట్ అవుతుందమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు x2 కి ఫస్ట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయింది? ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ సెంటర్ పాయింట్. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ B అండ్ C, ద టూ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ లైన్. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ అండ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ reference line. The two are coincide. That means here it is a center point. Is it clear? Very simple process, Amma. Just we can draw the distance lines and we find out the where it is inclined surface.
खट पढ़ाते सारा अच्छा पढ़ाते, उनकी आवाज़ अच्छी रहती, समझा के बोलते रहते ना, क्या बोलती है समझ में नहीं आती उसके बाद. ड्राइंग सर था, अभी टीचर आई.
Shall I go to next problem? Yes. Who is that? Mute button, Amma. Girls, anyone respond? Completed? If it is possible, take the screenshot also.
हाँ.
Completed?
మేడం ఆ లైన్ నుంచి x1 y1 డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత మేడం?
You can assume either 10 mm. Okay, now you can assume 10 mm you take. Your convenient distance.
ఓకే మేడం.
Here also x2 y2 also your convenient distance.
काम में अपना गेट का इशू कितना होता है? गेट का 400 भी उसके 500 600-700 ना हमारा स्थान और बाकी काम लगा गया नीचे का बोला है. ऐसा गेट बना है, ये गेट ऊपर गेट है बनाया है ना मार दो मार निकाला 400 रुपये पैडो 200 रुपये की पैड लगेगा दो लगाने के मजूर बात करते हैं मैं बोला था भाई बोला था ये 40 हाँ बहुत है जमा बहुत है सुना 40 साल तक कोई सुनता नहीं और छोटा सामान लेगा तो गलत बना तो झगड़ा का सामान है
And the one homework problem is given. Okay, try చేయండి మ్యాథ్స్ ట్రై చేయండి ఏదైనా అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం ఓకేనా
लगाई पानी लगाई बना लगे हाँ क्या क्या जी ये जब अपना पानी
क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट already this problem is completed but here not take the reference lines directly we can give the answer okay na but you follow the procedure we can draw the reference line x and y and we can draw the another reference line x1 and y1 and we can draw the imaginary plane okay that is the x2 and y2 and try this problem already here answer is there so this is the front view this is the top view answer ఇది తర్వాత మీరు ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా ఓకేనా క్వశ్చన్ this is the front view and this is the top view where it is inclined surface in front view okay now we can project the inclined surface this view we can draw the auxiliary view the true shape of the object okay na take the screenshot try this you follow the procedure we can draw the reference lines also
लगा चार निकले ड्राइंग का निकले पूरा कागज निकले बस
this problem made out so it is inclined surface is there inclined surface or sloping surface so here the distance is length 50 mm is nothing but from here to here also 50 mm okay after completion of the question we can draw the auxiliary view so we can project the inclined surface up to top view we can project the inclined surface up to top view. So here is the object. You can draw the auxiliary view that is the true shape of the object. With the same process can draw the reference line x and y. So here is the inclined surfaces in front view. We can draw the another reference line below the top view, x1 and y1. Okay, and then after we can draw the another imaginary plane. Okay, so ఇక్కడ imaginary plane అనేది మనకు AP తో ఇండికేట్ చేశారమ్మా. So the imaginary plane compulsory parallel to the inclined surface or sloping surface. We can draw the imaginary plane. Okay, that imaginary plane is parallel to the inclined surface. Okay, then after we can draw the perpendicular line from the inclined surface. From the inclined surface we can draw the perpendicular line. From the inclined surface we can draw the perpendicular line. Okay, so the remaining process is same by using the compass. Okay, so here indications is there na A, B, C, D. Okay, by using the compass from the A distance to x1, y1 difference distance. Okay, and first perpendicular line is there na, that is the center point. We can draw the arc. And the next one from the D distance to x1, y1 reference line. Okay, and the first perpendicular line, that is the center, we can draw the arc. And the next one from the B distance to x1, y1 distance and second perpendicular line, this is the center, we can draw the arc. And from here to here distance, from the C to x1, y1 reference line, and this is the center, we can draw the arc. Now we can join all the points from A, B, C, D. That is an axillary view. That is nothing but true shape of the object. The session will be closed in 2 minutes, amma. Okay, 2 minutes lo close avutundi. Take the screenshot.
Completed, madam.
Okay, those who are completed, send to me. I will check the answer.